This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Hector Rodriguez. Fabulous 4/3, with a spare room to use as bedroom/flexible space. Kitchen upgraded with maple cabinets and SS appliances. Open floor plan with volume ceilings and tons of natural light. Spacious master bedroom suite has sitting area, walk-in closets with custom cabinetry and 2 separate large vanities. Accordion shutters throughout, AC replaced 2008-2016. Cherry floors upstairs and tile downstairs. 2-car garage with built-in storage. Gated community. Good schools and nearby shopping, restaurants, schools and transportation. Tenant occupied. Showings on Sunday only 12 o'clock to 5 p.m. For more information, review the details below or contact Hector Rodriguez at 954-693-0100.